I hope everyone is doing well. As always, today we will talk about the OTC market. For those using WhatsApp, don't forget to join the WhatsApp group. The link is provided in the video description. My brother is urging punctuality for catching the train, reporting from this end. Also on time. This place goes by the name Time, and just above, several more are located. It's here that I've arrived at Time. Brother, wherever you stayed, you can roughly estimate at one brass that since we are taking the train, we will take it, God willing. Then let's see what happens in the market. Nothing can be understood in the market. The market can do a lot in 1 second. This was my roughly 1 round confirmed shot. Even after that, we will see that this is happening in the market over the USD race. Now it's the US dollar's turn in the race. Managed at 7. Observe what comes next, what actions it takes. If this opportunity is seized, then the suffering doesn't confront me. By the grace of Allah, I don't have any stress. All my poems say on time. To be clear, we have to understand that this is the main thing. We'll explore how the market transitions from a downtrend to an uptrend, how it switches tracks as we seek to understand these dynamics first. Look, the market has a one ranging point here. The engines here, considering whether the market could have risen any further or not, undoubtedly it could have. Why wouldn't it? Why shouldn't the price of rice increase? It's plain logical. I do have a video on this, but I reiterate, when the market trend shifts, whenever the market shifts its trend, it can move from a downtrend to an uptrend or vice versa. The prerequisite is this one aspect we are looking at here. Why zero in on this event? It's unfolding precisely at 8 p.m. Have you overlooked the US dollar indicator at 7 sharp? You ought to pay closer attention. If the market embarks on an uptrend, if it's inclined to trend upwards, then this figure needs to be present in the market. Had it been situated at the midpoint of the week at the pivotal mirror location, following this event, there's logic behind this. I'm not saying anything without logic, I'm showing. Examine the details here below. Take note of this channel and plus that. Notice the gap, it's an impossibility there. There can't be a gap. Why should it be like this? Fine, any particular moment at 1 sarab just comes along. Concentrate on this focal point, where there's a down payment in progress. Pay attention to this task. Also, turn your attention here. It's 2 bar, but with a distinction. Because it has almost 3 parts above, 1 part below cannot go. Why can this happen? It can be acceptable that it can happen, it can be acceptable, but this mark signifies a potential market reversal, though not a definitive end. Such is the market's behavior at present. One was giving an election pattern enough, it's okay. Whenever the mark will try to turn any train, then the market will provide such one candle. This kind of incident if we see in the top part of the market. When we see the red color, then we will understand the market will be a downtrain. Then we will understand the market will be a downtrain. The downtrain is going like this, it should be like this. Such an incident, this is a candle of download or such a candle. These are candles of download. It has to be where on the top of the market, on the top here, but it will not be. This market's below from here. If it is green, then we accept it. But see from here, market. But if I wanted it, I could have gone on the uptrain, but this incident. Your candle has its own 1 watt language. Each candle has its own 1 arc strength. When you will understand these own languages, actually, which incident where it falls, what the market directs, then it's not any issue for you to get profit from the market. And the biggest thing, if you take 100 maths in your hand, then you have given the result will be 0, 0, 0. And any match, also anyone's match is going on. Be it mine or anyone else's.